The 2025 Yamaha TW200 continues to uphold its legacy as a reliable, lightweight dual-sport motorcycle with a rugged charm that appeals to both beginners and experienced riders alike. Known for its distinctively fat tires and compact frame, this bike remains an excellent choice for those looking for versatility, whether riding on trails, dirt roads, or pavement. Yamaha has maintained the classic design while introducing subtle updates to keep the TW200 relevant in the modern market. At the heart of the TW200 is its air-cooled, 196cc single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine. This proven powerplant delivers smooth, predictable performance that makes it ideal for navigating tight trails or city streets. The engine is paired with a 5-speed transmission, offering plenty of flexibility for tackling various terrains. The fuel injection system ensures better fuel efficiency and consistent throttle response, especially in changing altitudes or temperatures. One of the defining features of the TW200 is its wide, knobby tires that provide excellent grip on loose or uneven surfaces. The low seat height, set at just 31 inches, offers riders of all sizes confidence and comfort while stopping or maneuvering. The bike's lightweight construction, at around 278 pounds, ensures it is easy to handle, even for beginners venturing into off-road adventures for the first time. The 2025 model retains the familiar round headlight and retro-inspired bodywork, giving it a timeless appeal. Yamaha has introduced new color options and updated graphics, allowing riders to choose a look that reflects their personality. The compact, minimalist design of the TW200 not only enhances its durability but also makes maintenance straightforward, which is an attractive feature for those who value practicality. The suspension system includes a telescopic front fork with 6.3 inches of travel and a single rear shock with 5.9 inches of travel, ensuring a smooth ride on bumpy trails or uneven streets. The ground clearance of 10.4 inches adds to the bike's capability to handle rugged terrains without a hitch. The brakes, with a front disc and rear drum setup, provide reliable stopping power, making the TW200 a dependable companion in various riding conditions. For 2025, Yamaha has also focused on improving the bike's ergonomics. The handlebar positioning and seat design have been subtly refined to reduce rider fatigue, especially during extended rides. The inclusion of a digital instrument cluster adds a modern touch, displaying key information like speed, fuel level, and trip distance clearly and efficiently. The TW200 is perfect for riders seeking an affordable, durable motorcycle that can handle the challenges of everyday commuting or adventurous weekend rides. Its approachable nature and low running costs make it a fantastic entry point into the world of motorcycling, while its off-road capabilities ensure that experienced riders can still find excitement in its performance. In a market often dominated by high-performance machines, the 2025 Yamaha TW200 stands out as a dependable and straightforward motorcycle that prioritizes practicality and fun. It's a bike that embodies Yamaha's commitment to creating machines that cater to all kinds of riders, offering a unique combination of ruggedness, simplicity, and reliability.